Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP19 Excel Chapter 11 Cap Assessment Dean. Go to the instruction file. So the assignment title is the EXP19 Excel Chapter 11 Cap Assessment Dean. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics and other courses is. So we can move to the step number 1. Step number 1 is the start Excel, download and open the file name exp19 Excel chapter 11 cap assessment dean. XLS grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet, Excel file. We can move to the step number 2. So step number 2 is first you want to combine the year and number to create a unique ID, and in a cell C8 enter a 26 2006 and 435 and use a flash fill to complete IDs for all the dean is associated dean. C8 enter the cell C8 and copy the value and go to the selected cell is C8 and paste the value, press enter button and use the flash fill to the complete IDs and deans associated deans. Go to the home tab and editing group, click a fill and click a flash fill. So step number 2 is a complete. So next step is step number 3. Step number 3 is that next you want to create a 3-character abbreviation to the college. In a cell E8 text function to the display the first character of the college name stored in the previous column. Copy the function E9 to E28. Go to the cell is E8 and type the text function D8, 3 close bracket, press enter button and copy the function E9 to E28. Left function is DA2, 3 and step number 3 is a complete. So next step is step number 4. Step number 4 is the column name are hard to read all capital letter. In a cell F8, insert the correct text function to display the column name and upper and lowercase letter. Copy the function to the range F9 to F28. Insert the text function in a cell F8. Go to the Excel worksheet and selected cell is F8. Type is equal to and type the proper function and selected cell is display the column name upper and lowercase letter. Click a D8, close bracket, press enter button and copy the function f9 to f28. So step number 4 is complete. We can move to the step number 5. So step number 5 is you want to display the name in this format allows first in a cell J8 insert the either the connect or text join function to combine the last name commas and space and first name. Copy the function to the range J9 to J28. Insert the connect function. Go to the cell is J8 and type the connect function. Open the connect function and to combine the last name commas and space and the first name, copy the function to J9 to J28. Text 1 is the selected cell is I8 last name, and text 2 is the inverted commas and again inverted commas, and text 3 is the selected cell is H8. Click OK. Copy the function J9 to J28. So step number 5 is complete. So the next step is step number 6. Column K and L combine the office building number and room with the office phone extension. You want to separate the office extension and select the ranges K to K28 and convert the text column separating the data at a commas. Select the range is Ka to K28, copy the range and paste the range, press enter button, click and convert the text column separating data and commas. Go to the data tab and go to the data tool groups, click a text to column, selected the delimited, click next and convert the text column is separating the data commas. Deselect the tab and select the comma, click next and click finish. Step number 6 is complete. We can move to the step number 7. So step number 7 is you decide to create a criteria area to perform the advanced filter soon. Copy the range A7 to M7 and paste its starting in a cell A30. Enter the criteriation is the associate then at the appreciate cell on a row 31. Copy the range A7 to M7. Go to the home tab, click copy and paste the starting in a cell A30. Paste the cell is selected as a cell A30. Enter the characterization as a associated din. Copy the associated din on the cell row 31. Click a title and paste the associated din. So step number 7 is complete. So the next step is step number 8. Step number 8 is now you are ready to perform advanced filter and perform an advanced filter using the range A7 to M28 and the data sources is the criteria range just created and copying the result. Record the output areas A34 to M34. Perform the advanced filter using the ranges A7 to M28. Go to the data tab and select the advanced filter and the listening list range is A7 to M28 and criteria range is output area is A35 to M34, A34 to M34. Criteria range is A30 to M31 and copy the another location is copy to range is A34 to M34. Press the absolute cell reference, click OK. So apply the advanced filter. Step number 8 is complete. We can move to the step number 9. So the step number 9 is the top right section of the worksheet contain a summary area. You will insert the database function to provide the summary detail about the associated din. In a cell L2, insert the database function, calculate the average salary for the associated din. Go to the cell Excel worksheet and select cell is L2. And type insert the database function. Type is equal to and type the daverage function. Open the daverage function. Calculate the average salary of associated din. So database range is A7 to M28. Type the A7 to M28 and field is salary. Apply the inverted commas and type the salary and again type the inverted commas. Criteria is the G30 to G31. Click OK. So step number 9 is a complete. We can move to the step number 10. So the step number 10 is in the cell L3, insert the database function to display the lowest salary of associated dean. Select the cell is L3, type is equal to and type the D minimum. D minimum. Open the D minimum function. Database range is A7 to M28. And type the M28, press F4 button, and field is type inverted commas and type the salary, type the inverted commas, and criteria is G32, G31. Click OK. So step number 10 is complete. We can move to the step number 11. Step number 11 in a cell L4, insert the database function to display the highest salary for associated deans. In a cell is L4, L4, and type is equal to and type the D maximum. Dmax function. Open the dmax function and selected the database range is the highest salary for associated dean. Database range is A7 to M28. M28, press F4 button, absolute cell reference. And field is type inverted commas and type the salary. And again inverted commas, and criteria range is G30 to G31. Click OK. So step number 11 is complete. We can move to the step number 12. So step number 12 is finally you want to calculate the total salaries for associated dean. In a cell L5, insert the database function to calculate the total salary for associated dean. In the cell is L5, insert the database function. Type is equal to and type the dsum function. Open the dsum function and database range is A7 to M28. Press F4 button and M28. Type the M28, press F4 button, and field is type inverted commas and type the salary. Press inverted commas, and criteria is G30 to G31. Click OK. Step number 12 is complete. Next step is step number 13. So step number 13 is format the range L2 to L5 with the counting number format with the 0 decimal places. L2 to L5, apply the counting number format and 0 decimal places. Copy the range L2 to L5, go to the Excel worksheet and paste the value is the paste the range L2 to L5 and apply the counting number format with the 0 decimal places. Go to the home tab and number group, click counting number format, 0 decimal places. Click OK. Step number 13 is complete.